In this video, we will be discussing the Toolspace and Toolbox tab. If you would like to follow along with the video, please open the file 0206 toolspace-toolbox.dwg located in the training folder discussed in the Working with this dataset video. The Toolspace window is where the Prospector Settings, Survey, and Toolbox tabs reside. We will examine the Toolbox tab. The Toolbox tab is where you do any kind of reporting on Civil 3D objects. For instance, as you note here, I've expanded the Reports Manager category, and we have the alignment, quarter, parcel, and other Civil 3D objects that you can report on. Let's go ahead and look at a simple report, such as the Alignment Curve report. To access any reporting within the Reports Manager, simply double-click, and that'll open up the appropriate dialog box. In this case, I am creating an XML report. I can use the Pick From Drawing button here to navigate in my file if I have many Civil 3D objects that I do not want to have to peruse through in that dialog box. I can select my alignment, click OK, and then give it a name for that HTML file. Notice a simple report that appears in the format that you would expect, and I can save this to my project folder by copying and pasting it into Word or right-clicking here and doing a Save As. Notice that the company name and address are not defined properly. Let's go ahead and discuss where this is located. In the Toolspace Toolbox tab, we have the Report Settings button that we can click on, and expanding the different categories here, we can go ahead and add in our contact name, company name, address, and so on. Also note many of the settings for the different reports can be defined in here as well. Let's look at another really cool report available in the Toolbox tab. I will expand the quarter category. And in my file, I already have a quarter object with a surface created, and I want to create a slope stake report. So I'll double click on here. This will open up a dialog box. This is not like the XML reporting. This is actually a program that is running that was developed by Autodesk. I want to add in the quarter link that I want to create a slope stake for. So in this case, we'll use datum, and I have a material list to grab any kind of quantities that I want. I will add in that datum and click on the Create Report. And what gets created is a really cool visual type report where I can actually see the different parts that it is reporting on for the slope staking. You can now take this out into the field, print this out for any surveyors who might need it, and so on. There are many other reports available through the Toolbox tab in the Toolspace window. This concludes this video discussing the Toolspace Toolbox tab.